Clinton with Helget Equipment, looking at a 2023 John Deere 2025R, the 120R detachable loader, 54-inch front snowblower setup, single point hydraulic coupler. Everything here has very low use, as you will see. These are 2-speed hydrostatic, mechanical front-wheel drive, LEDs in the front and at the top of the cab. Single point again for the loader, making this extremely easy to take off and reinstall. Mauser cabs are now installed at the factory with ducted heat. Air conditioning is not an option on this series currently, hopefully someday. Category 1 3-point, rear 540 PTO, mid 2000 PTO. Also very low use on the snowblower. Couple rock chips in the paint. That's about it there. Ducted heat at the top, dome light, 2-speed fan, front wiper, thermostat, retractable sunshade. Like I said, low hours, we have a whopping 22.9 as of this video. Also, at the time of the video, we have a full factory basic warranty still remaining.